Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a fresher and looking for a job opportunity in tech career, this video is going to be very important for you because today I have bought two solid opportunities. One is a high paying data science role and second one is a backend developer role. So make sure to watch this video till the end because I will be covering responsibilities, skills, eligibility and salary. Let's start with the first opportunity. The first company is GE Aerospace and they are hiring for the role of data scientist. This role is based in Bangalore and it is a full-time in-office opportunity. Your main job here will be solve real-world problems using data. You won't just be working on theory, you will actually be building machine learning models, analyzing large data sets, and improving how systems make decisions. You will start by collecting and preparing data because raw data is never clean. Then you will design and build machine learning models, test them, run experiments, and keep improving their accuracy over time. As you grow in the role, you will also work with data engineering teams to deploy these models into real production systems. And once the models are live, your job doesn't stop there. You will monitor their performance, fix issues, and optimize them so they can handle large scale data efficiently. You will also be working closely with different teams and stakeholders and converting those into proper technical solutions. Now, coming to the skills, because this role is a bit advanced, strong Python knowledge is a must. That's the backbone. Along with that, you should also understand machine learning concept, data analysis, and basic statistics. If you know how to visualize data and explain insights clearly, because companies don't just want models, they want insights. Also, if you have exposure to cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP, that will give an extra advantage. Talking about the eligibility, they are specifically looking for candidates with a master's or PhD degree in fields like computer science, machine learning, statistics, or any STEM background. So, yes, this is a bit more specialized role, but if you fit the criteria, this is a very high value opportunity. Now, coming to the salary, it's not officially disclosed, but based on data, it usually ranges between 11 to 17 LPA, which is honestly very strong for a fresher data role. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. The company is TrainingMug and they are hiring for the role of Junior Backend Developer. This is a work from home role, so fully remote, which is a big advantage. Now, in this role, you will be working on real world backend systems. You won't be just learning, you will actually be building things. You will be designing backend systems using Django, creating APIs so different parts of the application can communicate, and write clean, efficient Python code. You will also be working with databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL, making sure everything is structured properly and runs efficiently. Along with that, you will be debugging issues, optimizing performance, and improving how the application behaves in real world scenarios. You will also participate in code reviews, which is where you will actually learn how production level code is written. And since it's a startup environment, you will collaborate with different teams, understand requirements, and build complete solutions, not just small tasks. Now, coming to the skills, you should have strong fundamentals in Python. On top of that, experience with Django and REST frameworks is very important. You should also understand how databases work, including ORM concepts, and have a basic idea of API security like JWT or OAuth. And one thing you should definitely know is Git because version control is used everywhere. Even if you are not perfect in everything, if your basics are clear and you have built some projects, you can definitely apply. Now, talking about the eligibility, this role is open for freshers, no prior experience is required. And the salary for this range is around 3 LPA to 5 LPA, which is decent, especially for a remote role where you will also get strong learning. Plus, you will get exposure to real world projects, mentorship, and a fast learning environment. So, yeah, these were the two solid opportunities. One is a high paying data scientist role at GE Aerospace, and one is a fully remote backend developer role at TrainingMug. If you are from a strong data background, go for the first one. And if you want to start your career in development, the second one is a great entry point. Make sure to check out the application link in the description box and apply as soon as possible. And if you want more such latest job updates, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.